Hello and welcome. I'm Linda Levesque at Levesque Wealth Planning. Because we're at the beginning of a year and a lot of people are thinking about making contributions to tax-free and their RSP, but they're also wondering, is it a good time to invest? Although my partner Dan and I believe that we are headed for some choppy waters, of course, investing when the markets are down is always beneficial if you have a long time horizon. If your time horizon is shorter, you may want to consider GICs because the interest rates have gone up and at least you know that you're going to be guaranteed a return over the next year. But the fact is, when you go into the markets, at least in the short term, the pricing has already been priced in, whether we're going into a recession, whether or not the markets, are, I'll say, a little bit on the choppy side. For the most part, you're not going to get a big downside in the short term. But if this recession continues, if interest rates continue to go up, and there is a hint that interest rates may go up again near the end of January, it's quite possible that this will affect the markets again in the shorter term. But Sir John Templeton always said, the best time to invest is when you have the money. And again, if your time horizon is long, and a long time horizon would be a business cycle, which is between 5 and 7 years. Now, if you're retired and taking money out, you want to have some short-term, I'll say, investments, but you also need those long-term investments. Unless you know that your lifespan is going to be very short, you could have a retirement of another 10, 15, 20, 30 years. And that means your time horizon is really long. But always decide to make that appointment, take that first step, talk to an advisor, and see what's best for you. Don't follow the crowd because everyone's personal situation is different and you want to make sure that you're making the right decisions for you and your family. I'm Linda Levesque. You asked, we answered. Until next time.